microscope, world so small.
Welcome back, everyone. We're diving deep today, and this one's a little different. We've got music on the menu.
Music and science, two great tastes that taste great together.
Right. You know, I've always thought so, and that's exactly what we're doing today. This deep dive is inspired by, get this, a song.
A song. Okay, I'm intrigued.
It's called Hydrogen, and it's from an album called Periodic One by Kurt Holes. The whole album's about the periodic table. Each element gets its own song.
Wow, that's pretty creative.
Isn't it? So for today's deep dive, we're focusing on this one track, Hydrogen. What's got you so fascinated by this particular song?
It's just, well, it's really interesting how this song, dives into this microscopic world of hydrogen.
Yeah, it's really evocative, right?
Yeah, and I think it also hints at its significance on a cosmic level. It's got those opening lines, under the microscope, world so small, elemental whispers rise and fall.
Yeah.
And that's it's not just about the science, it's about the mystery and the wonder of it all. I think that's really cool.
Totally. And I love how the song tries to, capture the essence of hydrogen, even though we can't see it, right?
Yeah.
It says, one proton, one electron, infinite in its simplicity, life's one. That's such a cool way to put it. I never thought of hydrogen as elegant, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But this song kind of makes me see it in a new light. What about you?
Yeah, totally. It really emphasizes how hydrogen's simplicity is key to understanding how important it is. It's the most abundant element in the universe.
Right.
Fueling stars and creating everything else through nuclear fusion. You think about it, the water you drink, the air you breathe, even your own body, it all traces back to hydrogen.
So we're all basically talking hydrogen.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wild when you think about it like that.
That's wild. But the song also says, hydrogen in our veins, breathing stars and chains. Okay, so I get the hydrogen in our veins part now, but breathing stars and chains, what's that about?
Yeah, it's very poetic, but I think it speaks to, a very profound truth. Stars, they create heavier elements through nuclear fusion, right?
Uh-huh.
And then those elements, they eventually become part of planets and ultimately us.
Right.
So we are breathing star stuff, in a way. And I think the chains part might be referring to the interconnectedness of everything.
Yeah.
We depend on this chain reaction that starts with hydrogen for our very existence,
It's mind-blowing.
Yeah, it's incredible.
It really is. This tiny invisible element, it's so fundamental to everything. The song says, invisible to sight, light as touch, yet you're always there, means so much.
Absolutely.
It's just so mind-blowing. And, I was thinking about this, too. It's not just about where we come from or the past, right? Hydrogen is playing a huge role in the future, especially with clean energy.
Yeah, for sure.
Scientists are working on, using hydrogen as fuel, which could help us move away from fossil fuels and combat climate change. So understanding hydrogen isn't just about knowing where we came from, but also about shaping where we're going.
It's true. It's
pretty amazing. But there's also this part in the song about a quantum leap and a dance of atoms. Am I picturing tiny hydrogen atoms doing the tango or something? Is that even remotely accurate?
Maybe not the tango, but it is, it's alluding to quantum mechanics, the science behind how atoms actually work.
Yeah.
Think of it like this. Imagine a ladder, right? And each rung represents a different energy level for a hydrogen atom.
Mm-hmm.
Electrons, they can only exist on these specific rungs, and then when they absorb energy, they jump up to a higher rung.
Mm-hmm.
That's the quantum leap.
Okay.
And then when they lose energy, they jump back down. And then they release light when that happens. And so this dance of electrons between these energy levels, that's what gives hydrogen all these unique properties that it has.
Oh, wow. But okay, how did scientists even discover this about hydrogen? It seems impossible to even observe.
It was a huge challenge. I mean, early physicists, they really struggled to explain why hydrogen only emitted light at very specific colors, kind of like a fingerprint almost,
Yeah.
And the answer they eventually discovered, it lay in the quantum world. So by studying hydrogen, they really unlocked the secrets of quantum mechanics, which revolutionized physics.
Wow.
It led to countless technological advancements that we, benefit from today.
So a tiny atom held the key to this whole new understanding of the universe. I mean, the song keeps coming back to this idea of simple yet profound, and now I totally get it.
It's true.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's a beautiful reminder that sometimes the smallest things can have the biggest impact.
That's so true. So to recap, hydrogen is the foundation of stars, the key to clean energy, and a window into the quantum world.
You got it.
And all of this from a pop song. Who knew music could be so insightful? It makes me wonder, if a simple element like hydrogen can be so complex and hold so many secrets, what other wonders are we missing in our everyday lives?
That's a great question.
We'll leave you to ponder that one.
Mm.
Until next time, keep exploring and never stop questioning. Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Yet you're always there, means so much.